Welcome to this Filr web user video on following a file or a folder. My name's Robin Redgrave. So why would you want to follow a file or indeed a folder? What this does is if there's any change to that file or to the folder, you will be sent an email notification letting you know about that change. So this is useful, for instance, if I'm creating a document and working on it with colleagues and I want to know when they've changed it. Or maybe I've got a folder with files in for different projects and I want to be notified when a colleague adds a file to that folder. So with the follow feature you can do exactly that. Let's just go and have a look. Here let's just have a look at a file. If I right click on this, or indeed any of the context menus, I've got an option to follow there. But to tell you the truth, the easiest way to follow is to just check that little star after the file or folder name. So I can check that, and if you can see that's gone yellow now, and if I check it again then I can unfollow so it'll stop notifying me. So let's just follow on this folder here and go and make a change to that folder. So I'm just going to add a file, for instance. Let's take this file here, and you can see that that's been added and it's automatically been followed because the whole folder is being followed here. And if we wait, you'll see that that sends me an email. There you go, you can see that's just been delivered, and if I open up that notification you can see here that I have a new notification. Let's just pull down the other images on there, and it tells me that Robin Redgrave added that file. So if I wanted to access the file I can just click on the link in the email there. If I'm subscribing to a folder and there are thousands of files in that folder, then there may well be hundreds of changes a day to those files, and it might get a little bit annoying if I get an email notification for each of those changes. So I can request that all those notifications get stored up and sent to me as a single email, a digest with all those changes in. By default that gets sent to me just after midnight, but your administrator may have changed the timing on that, or indeed made it more frequently or less frequently. Let's just see how you can set up how you get those notifications. So in the top right, if you just take a drop down, you've got the option for view profile there. And on the left hand side I've got the option for notifications. If I click that I can specify my email notification settings here. So I can turn off email notification totally if I wanted to, just by moving that slider across. Otherwise I can have that as sent as an email digest or an email only. So you can pick and choose which is best for you. Hopefully you found this short video useful. Thank you for listening.